What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Charles here, aka the Bearded Guru. So in this video I kind of want to go over the Guru quiz. Basically what I wanted to give people that have like instructional material, or they have lessons and stuff that they want to be offering to their clients, to their customers, to people that land on their pages. I want to give them the ability to be able to create a quiz so that they can set up and give them a a quiz that they can run through so that it can grade them on their performance. So as you can see here, you have the quiz set up. So you go through the answers, like what is 2 times 5? We had 10. What is 3 times 6? We do 18. What is 8 times 9? We do 72. What is 1 times 7? Is 7. What is 8 times 8? 64. And when you get through the quiz, it will print out, or it will show how many questions they got right out of it. Now, currently, there's not a whole lot of options to this in the aspects of what all this can offer. The reason I did this intentionally because there's so many different directions that this can go that I did not want to create some massive thing and then not have a lot of options that aren't even totally utilized. So, as I stated in the video on the home page, as soon as you logged in, please make sure that you sign up for the feature request Facebook group, and then I want to get your opinion on what other options you want the quiz to be able to offer. Keep in mind there are some limitations in the aspects of how it can be utilized with ClickFunnels, but I will take every feature request for the quiz under consideration, and if I'm able to, if there's enough requests for specific things, then I will definitely do my best to incorporate that into future versions of this Guru quiz. So essentially it's pretty straightforward. What you want to do is want to give your you want to, like, we'll say you entered your question. So what color does, actually let me just refresh everything. All right, so we start off with our first question. We go, what color does Jack love? And then depending on how many answers we have, we click on the add answers. So we'll just do 4. So we'll go yellow, we will go black, we will go blue, we will go red. And then say one of the you wanted to remove one of the answers, you can either change it here, or maybe you just wanted to remove it altogether. So you just press that button and it will remove the answer listed. And then if you want to come back and say you wanted to add another one, you just pop that in and you can do purple. Now these little radio buttons on the right, this is how you signify which one is the correct answer, so that whenever the code is generated, it knows to look for that. So we're just going to do blue for this. Next thing we do, we're going to add another question, and so we can have as many of these questions as we want. If you start to get overloaded on the page, just simply click on the little minus symbol there, and it will collapse the question down. So that you can add more without taking up so much real estate. So we'll just do the second question here. What is Jack's favorite band? And then, once again, we want to add however many answers we want to have. So we're going to do, I'm a little rock and roll geek, so go with Metallica, go with Slayer, go with Led Zeppelin, I don't know, Megadeth, and then we just choose whatever is the correct answer. So we can go with Led Zeppelin here. So once you have all your questions set up, you have your answers done, so now you want to name your quiz, and this will be the quiz title that pops up here at the top. So I'm just going to put, you don't know Jack. And then once you have all those elements set up, then you're just going to click the generate quiz button, and this is going to create all of the code generation that you need to place in your pages. So once we go over here inside of ClickFunnels and get my little page ready to show you guys. All right, so pull this over here. All right, so just like before, so what we want to do is we want to come in here and we're going to add a new element. We're going to scroll down here and we're going to do the custom JS HTML. Scroll down here, click the custom JS HTML, and so we want to grab that information right here, copy that. We're going to come over here into the element here. We're going to open the code editor and then we'll paste that in. And then next we want to take the custom CSS. We're going to copy that. And we're going to come over here to our custom CSS section and then paste that code in. And once we have that done, we're going to hit save. And then when we preview our page, you'll see the quiz is loaded up here to the right. What color is Jack love? Blue. What's Jack's favorite band? Led Zeppelin. And voila, we just got 2 questions out of 2 right. So like I said, any features requests to this as far as what you want to happen once the quiz is finished. And then future releases will also offer various, or I'm going to offer the ability to be able to stylize this as well. Like I said, there's just so many different ways that this quiz can go. I want to make sure I don't sit there and create a whole bunch of fluff that nobody ever utilizes, and it just wastes my time as far as developing this to be a full function or to be a full quiz type software. So head over to the feature request board, let me know what you're looking for, and they will be, and if enough requests for a specific feature has been made, then it'll definitely make it into the next versions of this GuruQuiz. All right, so once again, everybody, welcome to GuruScriptz.